If you're facing a criminal charge, you're up against a mountain. You're up against an army. You may think it's just the DA, you may think it's just the judge, but there's a whole litany of people that are behind the scenes whose job is to provide evidence against you. My goals in a case are to help a person in need and to let them know that there's somebody for them, that it's not hopeless, that there's a way out. You know, cases are not always about trials. Sometimes the best result happens outside the courtroom. It happens in the hallway or on a phone call or an email. And if there's no alternative, we go to trial for our clients. But sometimes the best way is to look at all avenues of success. It's just not measured solely in the courtroom. I represent a lot of young folks and college kids, young kids, and their parents are involved. I've got children myself. And I tell the parents that I'm going to treat their child just like I would my own children.
My son was facing life in prison. 12 SUVs surrounded my house and took him. It was terrible. When something happens to one of your children, there is no more life, not for me.
We don't leave any stone unturned. So we don't stop at just one phase of the case. We take a comprehensive approach from step one to the closing step.
Without Rob, we would have no future. He just kept telling me that it was going to be okay. He told us he would leave no stone unturned. Without Rob, my son would be serving the rest of his life in prison. I have no doubt.
Some people think their situation is hopeless. It's going to ruin them for the rest of their life, regardless how desperate the situation is. There's always solutions to every problem. You know, there's always hope.